So things are changing. And I don't think it's going to take the place of people. I think it's going to make people that much more productive. And they're going to be like, society is going to be moving in a very different motion, so that maybe in 4 or 5 years, you're going to come to work and you're going to be expected to automate your job, not just do your job. That's not the central IT developer job, but
Mm-hmm.
using Gen AI is going to make it much easier and less training required to be able to do that automation that's required. And I always remember this quote from Steve Jobs, that he talked about, like, they did a study of all the fastest animals on Earth. And I think human beings were like 14. I think that, the condor was up there, they're just using their natural abilities. But they did something very interesting in the study. They're like, well, let's measure how fast a human being could be on a bicycle. And then it became the fastest human being on Earth.
Mm-hmm.
It became the fastest animal. So with these tools, they actually enhance and make people that much more productive. And Gen AI now is taking all the existing tools out there and going to make human beings, developers, way more productive than they've ever been in the history of anything.